Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. To keep your garden blooming beautifully all year round, there's no need for anything complicated. Just care for your plants the right way and stay consistent every day. In today's video, I'll share with you a very simple organic fertilizer recipe made using ingredients readily available in your kitchen, helping your orchids to develop strong, firm roots with plump white tips, lush, glossy green leaves, long, healthy flower spikes with evenly opening buds and vibrant blooms. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any helpful orchid care tips from Great Garden. Let's get started. Do you often eat mandarins? After eating them, don't throw away the peels. Instead, make use of them to turn into fertilizer for your plants. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. The mandarin peels are finely chopped using a sharp knife. Cutting them into small pieces increases the surface area, allowing the natural compounds in the peels to be released more easily during soaking. This enhances their antibacterial properties, helps repel insects, and supports better nutrient absorption by the plants. Next, place all the finely chopped mandarin peels into a clean cup, making sure the cup is free of any dirt or impurities. Then, slowly pour in 500 milliliters of warm water. The next ingredient I use is rice. Rice contains vitamin B, carbohydrates, silicon, phosphorus, magnesium, iron, potassium, and many other beneficial nutrients. I add 3 tablespoons of rice together with the mandarin peels. Then, stir the mixture well so that the compounds from the mandarin, peels, and rice are gradually released and dissolved into the water, helping to effectively release vitamins, minerals, and natural essential oils. Finally, cover the container and let the solution sit for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, the liquid extract turns a rich, darker color like this. Next, once the solution has fully infused into the water, I strain out the solids and keep only the liquid. This liquid is the nutrient-rich extract from mandarin peels and rice that we need. Next, I add 1 liter of filtered water at room temperature to dilute the solution, helping it reach a concentration that is suitable for orchids to absorb. That's it. The solution is now ready to be used as an organic fertilizer. Let's apply it right away to your orchids. Before applying the fertilizer, water the plant first to evenly moisten the growing medium. When the medium is too dry, the roots cannot function effectively, and nutrient absorption is limited, which can slow down the plant's recovery process. Watering beforehand helps activate the roots, creating better conditions for nutrient uptake. After watering, allow the plant to rest for a short time so the water can be evenly absorbed. When the roots turn a healthy green color, it is a sign that the plant is ready to receive fertilizer. Apply this process to each remaining plant to ensure they all receive sufficient water before fertilization, helping them grow safely and evenly. Here are the methods for applying the fertilizer to the plants. Method 1. First, pour the diluted mandarin peel and rice solution into a small cup. Use a soft cloth or clean cotton to soak up the solution, then gently wipe each surface of the orchid leaves. This method helps remove dust and residue, allowing the leaves to absorb light more effectively and limiting the growth of bacteria and fungi. Thanks to the natural compounds from mandarin peels combined with the nutrients in rice water, orchid leaves become thicker, greener, and glossier. Wipe both sides of the leaves and apply this method 1 to 2 times per week, then reduce the frequency to maintain long-term results. Method 2. Next, pour the mandarin peel rice solution into a suitable watering can and gently water around the base of the orchid. Proper watering allows the plant to receive natural nutrients, including organic starch, vitamins, and minerals, while also providing mild antibacterial and antifungal support. This creates favorable conditions for the root system to grow strong and stable. It is recommended to water about once a week. Once the plant has adapted and is growing well, the frequency can be reduced to maintain nutrient balance. During watering, do it gently and avoid overwetting the growing medium to ensure good aeration and reduce the risk of fungal diseases. Method 3. Pour the mandarin peel rice solution into a suitable spray bottle and mist it evenly over the entire orchid, including the leaves, stem, roots, and leaf joints. This spraying method helps the natural nutrients from mandarin, peels, and rice water distribute evenly, supporting stronger resistance and limiting the growth of bacteria, fungi, and harmful insects. When applying, be sure to spray both sides of the leaves to clean the surface, enhance photosynthesis, and stimulate healthy plant growth. This method should be applied once a week during the initial stage. Once the plant has stabilized, the frequency can be reduced to maintain long-term effectiveness. After spraying, allow the plant to rest for a short time so the leaves and roots can absorb the nutrients. If there is any excess water remaining on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth to prevent a moist environment that can cause fungal diseases, helping the plant stay healthy with thick green leaves and sustainable growth. In addition to orchids, this solution can also be used as a mist spray for anthurium plants. When applied at the correct concentration and frequency, the natural nutrients in the solution help anthurium leaves become thicker, glossier, and more vibrant and evenly colored. At the same time, regular misting also helps strengthen the plant's resistance, limit fungal diseases, and support stable growth. As a result, anthurium plants grow healthier, maintain their beauty over time, and build a strong foundation for future leaf and flower development. After about 2 months of care, the changes in the orchids are truly remarkable. The leaves become a deeper green, thicker, and glossier. New young leaves grow strong and firm, showing that photosynthesis has significantly improved and the plant has enough energy to support stable new growth. The root system recovers vigorously, with many new roots continuously forming. The roots are plump and white, with healthy green tips that firmly anchor to the growing medium. This allows the plant to absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, making the entire orchid stronger and more vigorous. Flower spikes develop evenly, becoming strong and sturdy, ready for the blooming stage. Buds appear in greater numbers, larger and fuller. The flowers bloom evenly with bright colors that last longer, bringing vibrant beauty to the orchid pot for many weeks. As for anthurium plants, the results are also very clear. After a period of consistent application, the leaves show significant improvement. They become thicker, darker green, and noticeably glossier. New leaves grow evenly with a well-shaped, sturdy form, indicating stable growth. A healthy root system helps the plant absorb nutrients better, supporting new leaf development and maintaining vibrant coloration. Overall, anthuriums become more vigorous and retain their beauty over time when cared for properly. What do you think about this natural orchid care method? Have you ever used mandarin peels and rice for your orchids? Leave your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear stories from your garden. This is truly a rewarding result of patience and proper care. When nurtured the right way, orchids respond with lasting vitality and pure beauty over time. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Great Garden, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more simple yet effective orchid care tips. See you in the next video on Great Garden.